Look, come in here. You gotta show everybody what you do when I vacuum? Huh? Allie, no! No! Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Here I go. What do you do when I vacuum? Huh? What do you do when I vacuum? You're not gonna help me today? You're gonna help me vacuum? Come help me vacuum. Alex, you gonna help me? Good job. Good job, Helper. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa. Put it back in here. But you can't have it. What? It was recording. Okay, my kid is crazy. Yeah. People always say they want me to vlog more, but it's like our daily life is the same. Get up at 7, get Adri ready for school, wake Alex up, take Adri to school, come back, and then like I just vacuumed and picked up toys, so everything's pretty much clean. So I'm just hanging out. We're actually eating pumpkin donuts right now. And she keeps running over here and climbing on me. Oh no, we just knocked over my water cup and now it's like making weird noise. There's probably water in the top. This is the most mellow she's been since she got out of bed. This little couch is so old. We got it for Adri. Actually, I think she got it from Santa Claus, like for her very first Christmas. That would have been in 2012. the zipper just doesn't stay, so I have like a safety pin holding it. I was gonna buy another one, but they're like $30. Like, that's crazy. Well, at Walmart they were, I think they were more than that at Babies R Us or Toys R Us before they closed. Which I just heard they're coming back. They're getting lenders are bailing them out of their bankruptcy or whatever it is. I need to look on Amazon for a little couch. This one's just so beat up. She lays on it every day. She loves it. Adri still lays on it, and she's 6.5. You want a bite of donut? Do you want a bite of donut? Hey, don't throw that at me. Okay, it's 11:30. It's kind of crappy. It's been a rainy day and it's getting windy out there. But it's 11:30 and we're gonna have some lunch. I just opened my second Diet Dew of the day. I'm super thirsty. And we're having leftover pizza from last night's dinner with some Doritos. So me and Alex are sharing. That was a corner piece that I was just eating cold, and this one I heated up for her. Oh yeah. Leftover pizza and Doritos. Yay!